it is laughable because I just saw the former deputy president, impeached deputy president, just chatted in quietly like a muchawi. You know, he was chased away in London. In fact, he had told us he's going to raise 2 billion. But I'm told he raised only 2 million Kenya shillings, or was it 1.5 million shillings? Because the Kenyans in London knew that this is a political conman, and they will not allow him to raise any money. So I want to warn the aspirants under DCP that DCP is the highest auctioning house. Even I've seen some of the Gitungatis like from Kirinyaga, Murango, I've seen Garungo Adangwa, the likes of Metu. All of them, they will have to buy the ticket. That ticket has been sold to the highest bidder. And as a government, Mount Kenya is a stronghold of UDA. We will not allow anybody or some individuals to masquerade. We are going to have our candidates in UDA and also in DCP, but they sing UDA at night. So we know that, we know the neighboring. I was in Muranga. I was the neighboring to Muranga here in Kirinyaga. We have some women there. We must ensure we win. We must have people who are friendly. And after election, they'll come back home. They'll come back. So when I see people singing Kitungatis, like my friends from that region, following DCP, some of them want to be governors, some of them, I'm telling you, now that former impeached deputy president has failed to raise 2 billion in London, or was it 1 billion, they'll have to buy party tickets from DCP. Ole wow, because they will have to buy, because some of us have intelligence that the people who are funding will be given the party tickets by DCP. And that is why he was shy today. I saw him trying to castigate the president and the government, yet he is not telling the country that he raised 1.5 million against 1 billion that he had gone to raise, because he is so ashamed and embarrassed, because Kenyans, within and outside Kenyans, do not want the issue of tribalism, issue of earth, and issue of ridiculing the head of, or the president of the Republic of Kenya. So I want to appeal to Kenyans as we go to electioneering period, please and please, don't be taken with this political conmanship, these briefcase political parties. And you have seen even now they have done changes in some of the leadership in their political party. You can tell this is a briefcase political party. So I want to tell my brothers, and I was in Muranga yesterday, and I want to confirm to the nation, the people of Mount Kenya, the people, I was in Muranga yesterday, we interacted with the locals. They will stand with the government of the day, and they will stand with UDA. All these others are noise from leaders who are busy. Mchana wanaongea hii, usiku wanasema hivi, and I think watanunua. You'll come and prove. Kama hujauza Wamunyoro sahi anauza kabisa, ni soko huru. In fact, that is what I want to call. Yani ni soko, ule anatoa pesa mingi ndio atapewa ticket.